Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Aesthetics with me. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my theme for my fan page, because this has been one of the most requested videos that I have gotten. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. The first thing you need is a video of your idol or whoever you want to make this fan page or whatever on. So I have a bunch, so I don't have a problem with that. So after you do that, then these are, let me just circle the apps you're going to need. So you are going to need Ultralight, Color Tone, Font, or if you like using Video Star for the text instead of Font, you're going to need Video Star, but I don't use that. So you're actually only going to need those three apps, but if you use Video Star, then you're going to need these three apps, but if you use both, you're going to need these four apps. So the first step is to go into Ultralight. Next, you just want to find the video. Okay. Next, you want to click on two houses, edit at the bottom. Then go onto the triangle. Put the clarity where do we put it? Like about here. -7. Then put the other thing. I think it's called sharpen. Yeah, all the way to the end. Then this, like, you put down, and this you go like that. And it's just going to blur out the username, nothing more. But I have that saved. I have that preset saved, so I just use that one. Then you click save and save to camera roll. I'm so sorry if this video doesn't make any sense. It's just, I don't know what I'm saying, to be honest. Okay, so it's saving. Okay, then you go into the app Color Tone. You click the video. It's at the top left corner. Select a video, then click import. Click on it until it has a blue square around it. And then at the bottom, there are these three buttons. So you're going to click the edit button. Then you're going to click filters, filters, scroll and click Avalon or Cozy, whatever that is. But I just use Avalon or Avalon or Avalon. These filters are too difficult. Okay, and then you just click export, then it saves. Then you go into Font, the camera button, load new video. And if you guys want to know what fonts I use, they will be in the description with the link from where you can download them from. Okay, then after you have this, you're just going to tap anywhere on the video, doesn't matter, or on the screen actually, and then add text, and then you're going to write your title. Like maybe I can do YouTube. Okay, then click font, like there are these three buttons. Then click font, scroll to the red hand font, then I just size it and stuff, style, blah 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 blah. Okay, then we write channel, and this time the font I use is Winter Fun, but these will be in the description, so I don't even have to tell them. But we're also going to put the background for this, or the shadow. Next we use the font Heartwarming, and it looks like a bunch of symbols. And with the new, like, on Font where you type your text, there's this little keyboard icon, so you're going to click that, and then you're just going to scroll through these little, like, icons and just tap whichever one you like. I do X, like this one, oopsies, this one, which is letter X, but I just like to tap it from here, and then it appears, and then you can size it and stuff, which is really cool. And you can also, like, adjust the tiltiness. Is that a word? Is tiltiness a word? I don't know. Even if it isn't, I made it a word. Okay, then you size it and do all that stuff with it. The YouTube channel, and you can write, like, what the question is, like, do you know my YouTube channel? ? Font we use is Pink Chicken regular. Do you know my YouTube channel? Okay, then we put that like about here. No, stop it. You stop it, Instagram. Background, blah, blah, blah. Okay, next I use the font garlic salt. So for this one, it's just a bunch of number 8s. And then it will make these lines. Then we just do the background, because background is always important. And I try to make it fit the size of the text, so it's kind of like a outlining of it. Then we do number 1, like a bunch of the number 1s. No, not you. Why can't I get this right? Ew, that sucked. Why can't I get this right though? Okay, there we go. Those dots just go on the top. Size. Next, we use the font Refresh, and it looks like these. I'll just cross out all the other ones. And that's how it looks. Okay, yeah, that's how it looks. And then you tap that, the keyboard icon, and I do this letter V, which is a cactus. And there are a bunch of cute icons here, so you could just pick any, but I'm just going to do the cactus because that's what I always do. Next, of course, we size it down or up. And the background or the shadow, I keep on saying background, but you know I mean shadow. YouTube channel. Next, we just put a bunch of hyphens or minus signs, whatever you would like to call it, and then you just write the options like yeah or yep, nope, yes, I'm a fan. Oops, you forgot to add that. Right. Nope, and I don't care. Nope, but I wanna know. Yep, but I don't care. Other. Say. Next we use the font Pink Chicken Regular again. And then you just size it down. Okay, then style. Background. And next we write your username. Because, you know, there are people out there that like to steal your videos because they look that good. And there you absolutely go. That is how I do my videos. And now you can add anything you want in all these blank little spots. But I don't want to. Like, you can add a sticker or something, but I just like my videos like this. They're all plain and boring, but cute. Next, I do the caption. So for the caption, what I do is I just make it in my notes, like over here. So what I do is I have these star thingies that I can copy and paste. Okay, so basically what you do is you go into the fonts. First we paste that, then you write, and then I use the font sans, and then you write a message like, you are loved, dun dun, emoji, then you do the clock and the calendar emoji. This is only, and then you write the time. So right now it is 2. By the time I'll post it, it'll be like 2:16 p.m. Date, what's the date? Today is 20. Boom, boom. And yeah, that's literally just how you do it. It's that easy. But I'm not done with the caption yet, so we're not done. It's fine. Then you go on to TikTok, the most awesomest thing. Then you click on sound favorites. I just like it, which is
I wanna be the one you're guiding, 'cause I believe.
Okay, so I found the sound. Now we're gonna just paste that, and then we tag Addison Ray. Don't mind what I search up to find her username. It's a long story. I just have hashtags for my username. And oh my god, let me just show you something before this video ends. Oh no, I can't. We're not gonna add that one. We're just gonna add this. What do you mean I can't add it? Oh yeah, never mind. Yeah, no, I just need to add this. This is so stupid. I don't like this. Boom, beam, boom. Done. Okay. No, not you, stupid. Why can't I get this right? Okay. Copy. Yeah, that's what we gotta paste. There we go. And now you can post it. That's literally it. And I just want to show you guys, thank you so much for, like, literally, this is the hashtag I created, and it is almost at 200,000 views. I just want to say thank you so much for that. Thanks so much for watching my videos and using my hashtag. Like all these other people, like this person. Shout out to them. Oh my god, that is my friend. Like this person, shout out to you. Thank you so much for using it. Yeah. Okay, that's it. Bye-bye.